I don't mind, but it's okay, I don't mind, but it's okay, I love you, boy, I need you, come get me, boy, I want you, I love you, boy, I need you, come get me, boy, you're not mine, but it's okay, I still love you anyway, I got your back, that's a fact, I still love you anyway, you're not mine, but it's okay, I'm gonna find you anyway, I got your back, that's the fact, I'm gonna find you anyway, I don't mind.
Here's a shuffle tutorial. This is more toe tapping. So we've got heel, 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 toe, heel, heel, toe, heel. And then to go around, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe. And a lot of times I'll reset out in on the other side. Heel, 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 toe, heel, heel, toe, and then to go around, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, reset. To counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, ideally. And on the other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Going around the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Is that you've got a little bit lower intensity step. You can take a breath, do a turn, and then go out and hit it with some more Running Man.